Welcome to Tarragona in Spain. My name is Jan Ivarsson. I'm head of safety strategies at Volvo Car Safety Center in Gothenburg, Sweden. In the background here we have the all-new XC90. And the XC90 is the first car out on our scalable product architecture. And regarding safety, we take a large leap regarding safety. You know, we have our vision for the future. No one should be killed or injured in a new Volvo car. So this is a significant step in that direction. And the fundament of safety here is that we have moved on with a classical protective safety and taken that up to a new level. In this car we have introduced around 33% of boron steel in the car. That is a very high strength and stiff steel. So the total structure surrounding around the people in the car, it's high strength steel, a Swedish type of steel that is uniquely at that level in this type of car. In addition, we have protection for all 7 seating positions, and that is for both adult but also kids, of course. In the front seat we have also added a complete new world-first type of technology, and that is a run-off-road protection function. It's a function that will sense if you're moving outside the road into rough terrain. Sensors will take out the slack of the seat belts. It will tighten the seat belt with a force of 300 Newton meters up in the retractor. And with that you will be positioned in a very good position as a preparation for a potential collision. In addition, we have seen in our data that some people suffer from spine injuries due to too high vertical loading. So we have added an element of distance below the seating position that the driver could move down 150 millimeters. And above that we have introduced a load limiter that will take down the loading on the spine. So this is the world first that we introduce in this car. But protective safety, that's the fundament. We have also made a leap regarding introducing collision avoidance technology in this car. We have in the windscreen a combined radar camera that will look forward in front of the car, and as threat occur, it will be monitored and processed, and if the driver are not really in the loop and maneuvering, he will be warned with a audible and a visual sign. At the same time that it will be a short braking, pulse braking, so he will have the possibility to be part of steering and braking on the car if there is a threat in front. And if he's not reacting to that, it will start a sequence of pre-charging of the brake and finally an auto brake of the car. So this is a functional system that we introduced in this car. It's standard and it will give functionality in situations where you have a car in front, where you have pedestrians in front of the car, as well as cyclists. And above that we have also introduced a world first. It's a detection of threats as you make a left turn. So if you're making a left turn and you have an oncoming car in the opposite lane and you are misjudging the situation, the car will go into auto brake functionality. So this is the platform for the coming cars, this radar camera functionality and system, and we this as a standard function under the name City Safety in this car. Above that we also have a IntelliSafe Assist functionality. That is forward-looking functionality, adaptive cruise control that will keep a time gap to the car in front, that will give you a more relaxed type of driving. In the lower speeds is a possibility to use the pilot assist, typically when you're riding on the highway, motorway, and the pace is slow. It's a queue situation in the speeds between 0 up to 50 kilometers. You will follow the car in front and the car will steer according inside the side markers. You will follow the car in front. So that will give a more relaxed and less stressful situation for the driver. In the higher speeds, we have the lane keeping aid functionality that will support the driver to keep the car in the lane so you're not drifting outside. And with that you have more relaxed driving and more safe driving. What you will experience from the driving here is a car that is also taking a step regarding the driver in command type of driving. We have a very agile and precise chassis in this car. Both the front and rear suspension are new, and with that suspension you will get a more precise driving experience. You will feel the steering together with the rolling of the car in a better manner, so you're more in command. In addition to this, we have a head-up display that is projecting information you need directly when you're driving in front of the driver in the windscreen. So in the windscreen you can see a turn-by-turn navigation, easy to understand, and also information like traffic signs and speed information. So you get speed information from traffic signs, the actual speed of the car, and if you're using the adaptive cruise control you can also see the setting of that in the head-up display. So with that you have a direct, precise driving on the car and vital information in the sight line when you're driving. So with that you have a better control and you have the mind and vision on the road.